Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. I hope that you understood second unit, that is A reading and B reading from Games and Sport. A reading is True Height and next reading is the poem What is a Player. I hope you understood those two lessons very well. Today, let us begin with the C reading. Before going into the C reading, let us have a small discussion about one sport, that is cricket. That is cricket. I hope that each and every student is familiar with playing bat and ball, isn't it? From childhood, we play with bat and ball. And boys are very familiar by roaming in the grounds and making team to play cricket, isn't it? Yes. Children, do you know how many players do we have in a cricket team? Yes, we have 11 players. 11 players. How many teams should be formed to play cricket? 2 teams. 2 teams. Children, can you tell me the familiar names of the cricketers? Yes. One is Sachin Tendulkar. Second one, MS Dhoni. Recently got retired from cricket, isn't it? Virat Kohli. Rahul Dravid, etc. Now, children, you are very familiar by knowing the cricketer's name, isn't it? Now, do you know when did the cricket started? It started in 18th century and developed in 19th and 20th century. And it is controlled by the governing body known as BCCI. That is nothing but Board of Control for Cricket in India. Board of Control for Cricket in India, that is known as BCCI. This is the governing body of the cricket which is developed in 19th and 20th centuries, isn't it? Now, this cricket is played by the two members, that is men and women. We are having men cricket as well as the women cricket. This cricket is played at the levels of national level as well as at the international level. For example, coming to the national level, we will be playing for IPL, Indian Premier League, for Ranji Trophy, then Irani Trophy, etc. And coming to the international level, cricket will be playing for ICC, World Cup, Asian Cup, etc. Okay, it is played at the two levels, that is national level and at the international level. Okay, children. Now, coming from the centuries, we see many development and achievements in the cricket. Okay, we see the achievements of different cricketers who played very well and they brought very good name for our nation and to our country. Okay. Now, similarly, when coming to the centuries and coming to the year of 1996 to the 2012, we find a person who played cricket by representing to the Hyderabad. Okay. Now there are many matches also, one-day matches, test series. Okay. In that time of 1996 and 2012, we find a person who is playing for test series and he is represented to the Hyderabad. Okay, and he played many test series and got many trophies. It is none other than the person VVS Lakshman, and this is our C reading from our second unit, and our lesson is about the person who is very familiar for playing test series, that is VVS Lakshman. Okay. Now, open your textbooks and we'll be reading the lesson. Okay. Now, lesson is reading VVS Lakshman. Treat success and failures on the same wavelength. Wavelength means distance of measurement. Okay. Now, what he's telling, the introduction of the lesson, that treat success and failure on the same wavelength. Success and failure are parts of anybody's life. Yeah, everybody faces the success as well as the failure. The key is self-belief and performing consistently in tough conditions. VVS Lakshman tells VV Subramaniam. Now, here what he is saying, that success and failures are parts of anybody's life. The key is self-belief and performing consistently. Consistently means similar way, especially in a positive way, in tough conditions. In tough conditions, we have to believe on self-belief and we have to perform very positive manner. Okay. Now, this is telling by VVS Lakshman to VV Subramaniam. One of the finest players in contemporary cricket has called it a day. Now, contemporary means present time. One of the finest players. Who is the one of the finest player here? We are talking about VVS Lakshman. He is the finest player in the present time. Now, he has called it a day. Called it a day means in the glossary, it is an idiom. Now, he is taking a retirement. That is decided or agreed to stop doing something temporarily or permanently. Now, this VVS Lakshman is the finest player. Now, he is agreed to stop playing cricket for permanently. Okay. For someone who delighted cricket lovers with his brilliance with the willow for 16 long years in Test cricket. Okay. For someone who delighted means having love for cricket. He is a cricket lover. With his brilliance, with his knowledge, with the willow. Willow means tall, thin and graceful person. For how many years? For 16 years of this time. 16 years. His time was 1996 to 2012. In Test cricket. That is none other than Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman announced his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad ahead of the 2 Test series against New Zealand. Now, VVS means what? Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman. Now he is announcing his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad ahead of 2 Test series. He headed the 2 Test series against which team? New Zealand team. The 37-year-old batsman who was part of fabulous batting lineup which helped India become the #1 Test team shares his experience and thoughts in exclusive interview with Sports Star. Now this, at the time of book publishing, his age is 37 years old. At the time of retirement, his age is 37 years. Who was a part of fabulous. Fabulous means amazing batsman. Lineup which helped India became #1 in Test team. Earlier we said that he played for many Test series and India has become #1. Now he is sharing his experiences and thoughts by giving an exclusive. Exclusive is a complete interview with Sports Star. Okay, for Sports Star magazine, he's giving an exclusive interview to the reporter. Now, this VVS Lakshman is Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman, a retired batsman now and a star batsman, giving interview to the Sports Star. Okay. Now, first one, the first question from the Sports Star at the interview. Now, interviewer is asking one question. When you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? Now, he is saying at the 37 years old, he is now getting retirement. So, he is telling, when you look back, what was your journey in the world of cricket? Now, Lakshman is giving the answer. It has been wonderful. I was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me and Zaki, Syed Moinuddin Zaki, from the under 16 level itself. Now what he's saying, children, you know very well, the boys know very well that we have to take coaching in some academy and they will select us under 16 age, and at that time at under 16 he took coach from the Hyderabad Cricket Association and they have promoted two under 16 candidates, that is me. Me means Lakshman as well as another person, that is Syed Moinuddin Zaki. They made us play in under 19 grade the same year. They were selected for under 16 age group and they played to under 19th grade at the same year. It was a huge leap. Huge leap means underline improvement. It was a huge improvement to them and very encouraging. And it was very encouraging by playing the cricket. Fortunately, by 18, I was on the verge of playing for Hyderabad in Ranji Trophy. Verge of playing means, see in the glossary, close to the point where something new begins. He was at a very close to the point when the cricket was started in his life, that he played for Hyderabad, that he is representing for Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy. Honestly, I feel that all the hard work and commitment I put in from the start of my career have culminated in 16 long years of international cricket. Now, honestly, he is saying that the hard work and commitment. Commitment means dedication. The hard work and dedication is the one who put in effort and he started his career have culminated. Culminated means reaching highest development in 16 long years of international cricket. In 16 long years of his career, he dedicated his life by hard work and commitment. Okay, it has been an immensely satisfying feeling to have contributed to Indian cricket in my own way. Immensely means extremely great. He felt extremely great of feeling to give his whole contribution to the Indian cricket in his own way. In all the 16 years, he was immensely, extremely, always contributed his whole efforts. Now coming to the second question by Sports Star. Who has been the biggest influence on you? Yes, now he is asking that who is the impact or guidance for you. Influence means giving, having impact or getting guidance from the other. Now this sportsman is asking, my parents, Dr. V. Shantaram and Dr. V. Satyabhama. Now who are the great guidance or influence to the Lakshman? His parents itself. That is who? Dr. Shantaram and Dr. Satyabhama. Both are doctors. No doubt about that. Yes, he is saying that no doubt about that. Especially given the fact that sports was never an integral part of our family, but the guiding philosophy which they taught was handling success and failure with the equal ease. Philosophy means nature of knowledge, getting knowledge. See what he's saying. By the names, we can observe that he came from the doctor's family and they are not at all aware of playing with games and sports. But they are the parents who encourage his son to all sports, and they are the one undoubtedly have encouraged Lakshman. The next question. What did the sport teach you? Yes, what did the sport teach? What it is taught for you? Now, what he got from the sports? Character. To treat success and failure on the same wavelength. It also taught me to be very balanced, and obviously whatever I am today is because of cricket. Now what he is telling? Clearly, undoubtedly, he is telling that cricket taught him to have balance in everything, that in success as well as in failure. Cricket undoubtedly taught him to have a balance. He kept his life in a balance whenever he got success as well as failure. Now another question. What was the most difficult phase of your career? He's asking what was your most difficult phase. Phase means time. In the success or in the failure of the life, each and every person go through some phases, some time, typical times or difficult times or ease times. Now this interviewer is asking about a difficult time. Now VV Lakshman is answering. It was when I had to prefer cricket to academics. That was the toughest moment of my life. Though there was always the dream to play for my country, I also had a natural desire to be a doctor, coming from a family of doctors. Luckily, my family gave me the complete freedom to choose any one of the two. Here, the role of my uncle, Baba Mohan, was very crucial, along with some of the coaches. Then, see what was his toughest time? To choose between the two. What is that? Is cricket and academics. Between the two, he has to choose one, and it is very difficult part of his life to opt what to opt for his career. Now, it was the thing that he wanted to play for his country, and it was his dream. So, it is the toughest moment to opt, and he opted cricket. And actually his desire also to become a doctor because his family is from doctor's family. Luckily, his father has completely given freedom to choose any of the two. So he chose cricket, and his uncle Baba Mohan is also a great important person in his life because he encouraged him to play cricket, and he is one of his coaches. Now again another question from sportsman. What is that? Do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big as you did? Have things changed a lot in this regard? Now this is the toughest question putting to the VVS Lakshman. What he is asking, do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big as you did? He is a fabulous star batsman and a test series. He headed 2 test series against New Zealand, and he is a fabulous star batsman. Maybe this may be difficult to the modern young man as you make it big as you did. Have things changed a lot? What is your opinion? Now what Lakshman is saying, frankly, nowadays it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media glare. Glare means bright lights. But at the time of his situation, those days are very hard. But nowadays he is saying that it is not at all difficult, but it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media glare. There are many platforms for the real talent to become good, and the IPL is one such which pushes you into national reckoning. What he is saying, there are many platforms for the talents to come good, and the IPL is one such which pushes into national reckoning. Reckoning means for present generation, it is very easy to choose platform for the real talent. And what is IPL? Indian Premier League is one such platform for keeping the talent. If you perform, you are bound to get recognized. If you choose such platforms and you will give your hard work and dedication, definitely you will get recognition. Now, Sports Star is asking another question. From where did you draw the strength to emerge as a giant every time there was an effort to draw off your achievements? See, draw means get, giant means big. Okay, dwarf means small. Okay, underline those things. Draw means get, giant means big, dwarf means small. What this poster is asking, from where did you get the strength to emerge? Emerge means coming out as a giant every time there was an effort when you are falling from your achievements. See, there are success and failures in each and every one person. When we fail, again we have to bounce back to get into that position. So the sports star is having a question and doubt in his mind that whenever you are little bit out of the success, from where you got the strength again to come out with a big effort. Then again Lakshman is saying, my parents and my entire family. Again, my parents and his entire family are the persons who gave full strength to get full strength and to come out as a big personality, and they used to support a lot with a positive attitude. They used to support, and he again used to come out from the failures. They, along with my well-wishers, were always the source of inspiration. Again he is saying that not only my parents and my entire family, along with my well-wishers, I used to come back again and I used to get back, bounce back again, and they are the actual source of my inspiration. The best part is that they never change irrespective of whether I was performing or not. They are the best people, and it is the best part that they never change their mind irrespective of whether I was performing or not. Their attitude never changed according to my success and failures. Again, poster is asking another question. What were your biggest moments as a cricketer? Now he is asking his biggest moments as a cricketer. There were many, but some stand out. There are many, there are very nice moments, but some stands out. What is that some we see now? Though I never played the World Cup that saw India as the #1 team, being a member of the Indian team, which was the world #1 in Test cricket, was one of them. Now what he is saying here, being a member of the Indian team, and India is the #1 team, he never played for the World Cup. Okay? That 281 against the Aussies in Kolkata in 2000 was another. Aussies means short name for Australia. Australia. The 281 means 281 runs here. The 281 runs against whom? Against the team of Australia, played with in Kolkata in 2001. Now we are playing in India means it is for national level. At the national level in the year 2001, our India won against Australia with 281 runs, and this is the biggest moment which he always remembered in his life. The test remains the most memorable match for me. This is the best memorable match which remains him most memorable moment. In fact, that test series was very special for all my players, for it who also the best and the most memorable series. The series which he plays for all the rest of the test series, then this is the test series which is very special for the players also, which kept the most memorable series. That series gave us the confidence that we can be the best. This is the series that which gave a conference to the entire team to the test series of the team, and that was memorable to all the team members. Now he is saying clearly that was the turning point of Indian cricket itself. Now he is surely saying that the 2001 against Australia played in Kolkata with 281 runs is the turning point to the Indian cricket itself. So see, that's why it is a very biggest movement which it is remained in VVS Lakshman's life. As it is said that the test series which is played in Kolkata in 2001 against Australians with 281 runs is remembered as the biggest moments in the cricketer's life, and he said that it is the turning point of Indian cricket itself. It is a turning point not only to all the cricketers, but it is a turning point for Indian cricket itself. That's why the test series which was played in Kolkata 2001 against Australia with 281 runs, due to this the Australian used to say VVS Lakshman as he headed the test series. So they said VVS Lakshman with, not with the initial but with the name kept by Australian as very, very special. Very special. So our C reading is VVS Lakshman. VVS means, actually his name is Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman, but the Australian cricket team will say him as very, very special Lakshman because he headed the test series in on the national level. Okay. Now coming to the task for today, you have to write a profile writing. You have to write a profile writing mentioning about a sportswoman. Okay, mentioning about the sportswoman, you have to make a profile writing by gathering from any newspaper, magazine, or periodicals, or any books. You have to collect the details of a sportswoman. Who sportswoman? Indian sportswoman. Okay, very famous Indian sportswoman. You have to write the writings about name, date of birth, height, state and team she represents, and the first entry from where she came, whether from sports or from games, and best in the career, what was the best, otherwise biggest movement in her career, and what are the hobbies of that Indian sportswoman, and awards and medals for the Indian sportswoman. Okay, children, please collect it from any newspaper, magazines, or books or periodicals. Okay, and write the profile writing. Remaining part of the lesson we will be continuing in the next session. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you.